Have you ever wondered what a MAP session looks like? Let me explain. It starts with an introductory video to prime the brain and get it ready to receive the instructions during the MAP session. The client is then invited to join a Zoom session from the comfort of their home, where they are instructed to choose a theme or memory that is creating discomfort or stress and affecting their happiness and success in life, such as haunting memories, anxiety, fears, phobias, money blocks compelling them to have negative thoughts about earning, negative patterns such as not now, limiting beliefs such as I am not good enough or I can't do this. Next, they assess their level of discomfort from 0 to 10, where 0 is complete ease and peace, while 10 is high discomfort or stress. Now they close their eyes and activate the memory or subject in general, without having to talk or recall all of the details, while breathing normally, so the experience is gentle. Meanwhile, the coach instructs their superconscious mind to find and neutralize the memories. Many instructions are designed to unravel a memory structure from many different angles, such as timeline, ancestral patterns, family history, energy systems, and so on. They observe the changes happening as soon as the coach gives instructions to their superconscious mind to find and neutralize the memory. With their eyes closed and fully aware, they process the instructions. They observe what is happening in their body and mind, including other related memories popping up, breathing changes, sweaty hands drying up, heartbeat calming down, and general ease of tension. Within a few minutes, they give feedback and measure the progress by reassessing their level of discomfort from 0 to 10. If not at 0, the session continues going deeper with new instructions to the mind until the client feels completely relieved. Once completing the session, they feel completely relieved of the discomfort and stress affecting their happiness and success in their life.